Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey Brawlers, are you looking for an easy way to snag some free gems in Brawl Stars? We often see claims about special QR codes or secret tricks that promise to load up your account with gems. It's a common desire, wanting to boost your game without spending a dime. But before you get too excited, let's dive into what's real and what's not when it comes to getting those precious gems, especially concerning QR codes. Let's be very clear about this. As of 2025, and really at any point, Supercell, the creators of Brawl Stars, do not distribute free gems through QR codes. Websites or apps making these promises are almost always attempting to trick you. They might ask for your login details or try to get you to download malicious software. It's crucial to protect your account and personal information from these kinds of scams. So if QR codes aren't the answer, how can you get free gems legitimately? The primary way is right within the game, the free path of the Brawl Pass. As you play and complete quests, you'll advance through its tiers, earning a set number of gems. Keep an eye out for official Supercell announcements too. Sometimes they surprise players with small gem rewards for major events or milestones, but these are generally rare. For those willing to spend a little, buying gems directly from the official Brawl Stars in-game shop is the only secure method. Always avoid third-party sellers. Keep an eye on the shop's special offers and bundles. These often give you more gems for your money, or combine gems with other valuable items. Purchasing the Premium Brawl Pass tier also offers a significant number of gems back, alongside other exclusive rewards, making it a very smart investment for active players. In summary, while the idea of free gems from a QR code might sound appealing, it's simply not how Brawl Stars works. Always protect your account, never fall for scams, and only acquire gems through official in-game channels. Focus on enjoying the game, earning rewards through playing, and maybe even considering the Brawl Pass if you want to get more gems and value. Stay safe, brawlers, and keep having fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.